I will put everybody at work. Close the private sector service industry. Where is the employment in Nigeria? You are talking about employment. Employment means to actually now start caring about ourselves as black people. Not to think that being sick is a spiritual attack. Even if it's a spiritual attack, why don't you care enough to get to the root of that spiritual attack? What is spiritual attack? The power of the powerless. You that you cannot give yourself 24 hours life. You believe you have the power to control thunder. You have the power to make rain fall. You that you cannot even stop police from slapping you. No, I mean, it's the delusion of it all that is really beginning to annoy me. There is a blueprint agenda that even gave us the right to sit down here like this as black people. It was Pan-Africanists that fought for African liberation all over Africa. Even though they were all betrayed and murdered. Because there's no money in Pan-Africanism to be stealing in government. It's a social setup. Socialism is in different forms. Everybody talk about the failure of communism. Let's even agree that communism failed and was not sabotaged. Because there's a big difference about failure and sabotage. We have to accept that there's failure, meaning you actually try genuinely and you fail, like capitalism is failing everybody in the world today through the new form of neoliberalism. Or you are actually doing well and somebody went and sabotaged what you are doing. The fact that we don't know about the sabotage does not mean that it does not exist. Pan-Africanism is the ideology. How do you all here become more African-oriented? How do you remove your reliance on Eurocentric conditions and influences? How do you wake up in the morning and not want to be like Jay-Z? How do you wake up in the morning and not care about the neoliberal created wealth of Otedola and Dangote? This is what should occupy our minds. And if that occupies your mind, automatically there will be progress. The only reason why we cannot move forward is because we are trying to make progress according to the laws dictated by people who do not even know. Coming back to what is it to be Nigerian? Why was Nigeria created? How many black people were involved in the creation of Nigeria? This is the question I keep asking all the Nigeria advocates. How many black people were consulted in the creation of Nigeria?
What did they say?
No, zero. Zero. No black person was consulted in the creation of Nigeria. Nigeria remains an entirely foreign creation. If British people come back to run Nigeria today, Nigeria will work.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
You know why?
Super beautiful.
Because they understand what they have done.
Super beautiful.
No black man understands what is going on here.
Super beautiful.
Our leaders are too ashamed to say we don't understand. We don't know. That's the first step we should not make. We know. If you do not know, say you do not know. We do not know what it means to be Nigerian. We just wholly accept. That's why it's easy to make us be anything the West wants us to be. They'll say we are male chauvinists, we hate our women. Without any historical backing. A woman's place is in the kitchen. This is a European proverb. No African language has the equivalent. We didn't know about subjugating women in Africa until white men came to teach us. Even when they brought their missionary schools to Africa, they had to separate the schools from boys and girls, and what you can learn in a boys' school is different from what you can learn in a girls' school. We as Africans did not know about subjugation of anybody. If you are too bad for society, we chase you away. That's why there were no prison in Africa. Well, okay, your own is too much. Yeah, all the villagers will gather you. Yeah. Go and start your own village. No problem. Just go and start your own village. In the issue of violence on the street, they'll be showing us lynching people, lynching, burning people. Who taught Africans how to burn anybody? Who taught us how to burn people? They will be telling you about Mary Slessor, stop the killing of twins. Why they were burning young girls in England, in our own country, at the same time, in the Inquisition, as witches. Young girls of 5, 6, by the thousands were being born all over Europe. They will not say that they civilized us by stopping a little tribe in the bush from killing twins. As if the whole Africa. Is it the whole Africa that were doing it? If it didn't come, a bigger kingdom would have usurped that kingdom and stopped them from doing it. That is not something that they taught anybody else to do.
Pardon me to interject now.